guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. For today, I have a holiday makeup, hair, and outfit idea type of video. I'm showing you how I styled this wig, which I will talk about in a second. And then I did an attempt at kind of a soft glam makeup look. Honestly, right now as I'm looking at it, it doesn't look too bad, but as I was doing my makeup, I just was struggling, and you'll see it in the footage. But I still think it turned out really nicely. It's just a very full coverage, kind of dramatic, but soft glam, like neutral type of makeup look, which is definitely my favorite. Usually for like holiday makeup looks, especially for Christmas, you'll see like red lips and a lot of like gold and stuff, but I kind of wanted to keep it very neutral, but still like glam and pretty. And this is probably the type of makeup that I will wear during the holidays for Christmas and New Year's and stuff. So yeah. And then at the end of the video, I'm also showing you an outfit idea. I think this is what I'm gonna wear for Christmas, probably like when we have our Christmas dinner. Maybe not, but it's definitely a cute outfit, and I just wanted to kind of add it into the video because I think that's always fun. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Before I get into the video, I quickly want to give you some detail on this wig. I received this wig from Beautiful Princess Hair. It came in this gorgeous hot pink silk bag, and it also kind of came with like their catalog and like the hair types that they have. It came with some of these weaving caps, which I prefer using the skin tone color, but these are also great if you like them. And then it also came with a pair of lashes, which I could have included, but I have lash extensions, so I can't actually wear these. Obviously the bag you can use to store your wig in. I'm wearing their Brazilian Body Wave 20-inch and 220 density wig, and it's actually $116, which I think is amazing for 20-inch hair. It's very soft, it curls very well. I only bleached the knots on this, and I did a little bit of plucking, but besides that, it's already kind of like ready to go. I would definitely recommend bleaching the knots though, but I think it's an amazing wig. I love the natural color of it. Like, it's just a very beautiful dark brown, like 1B type of color. I honestly only have positive things to say about it. So if you want to see how I styled this hair, created this makeup look, and what outfit I would be wearing, then just keep on watching. I currently just have my hair in cornrows. By the way, this is kind of my hair growth, if you're wondering. I did have to add an elastic band to this wig because it was way too big for my head, but with the elastic band I'm able to kind of make it work. I do have to say that it's not ideal though, so definitely before you order, make sure that you get your head size right, and that you ordered the right size for you. So I'm first just going to be laying the wig down with some Got To Be glue. This is the clear one, and I'll be making my baby hairs with the Extreme Freeze Spray. Baby hairs on this side, but nothing too much. I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron. This is quite a big wand, and I definitely want like bigger curls, but I want to try and make them as defined as possible. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to take off my cardigan. So I do want to take kind of bigger sections like this, maybe half that. Probably when I get towards like the top section, I will curl a little bit more higher up. Probably grab a glove, but I'm living on the edge today. I do kind of want to curl everything in the same direction. This hair definitely is really soft. It seems to curl really well, which it is a body wave, so that's what it's supposed to do. I'm just going to spray this section with some hairspray because I really want like these curls to stay. I think we're just going to do this side first and then move on to the other side. Was I put some hairspray right here at the base, and I blow dried it so that it kind of stays up a bit more. I'm just going to do this side off camera, and then I'll be back. now that we've finished the hair, it's time to do the makeup. For the makeup, I'm actually not going to be talking because I really want to kind of keep this video quick and simple. So I will just be putting all the makeup products down below. Let's go ahead and get started with the makeup. So as for the outfit, this is probably what I will wear. I'm wearing a bodysuit and a skirt from House of CB, and I think this is really pretty. My heels are, I got them with ASOS. They might be Public Desire, I'm not sure though. And my bag is from By Far. And then I'm just wearing a I-cord label necklace and my Daniel Wellington watch. But yeah, this is probably what I will wear. Just all black. Like, you don't have to go for like the typical holiday colors like red and like gold and stuff. You can definitely do this as well. And I mean, I still have a touch of gold in my jewelry, which I have like on a daily basis anyways. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram because I love talking to you guys on there, and I'm trying to like post as often as possible. I'm always kind of active on my stories, so yeah, make sure to do that. It's linked down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.